Hello, my loves. Becca T-Bon here, and today I am going to give you a huge tip, and it is drinking water. Now, you've probably heard this so many times, but sometimes it's so hard to drink enough water, so I'm going to show you some ways that are going to help you drink more water. They say you're supposed to drink half your body weight in fluid. Now, I'm going to tell you that most people do not. And I actually drink a little bit more than half my body weight in fluid because I have a very high metabolism, and you need that to shed the toxins that are in your body. Our bodies are so clever. They take those toxins and whisk them away and store them in our fat. Now, if we're going to shed the fat, we need to shed the toxins. We need to flush them out. One of the ways I do it is by having a bottle that is 32 ounces, knowing that if I fill it 3 times, I'm at 90 ounces thereof per day. And I also time it out. So I have my first bottle completed by about 9, 10 o'clock. And then I have my second bottle completed by about 1 o'clock. My third bottle completed by about 5 or 6 o'clock. I usually drink a little bit less in the afternoon. It's just how my system works, how my schedule works, what works best for you. Now, to make the water taste yummy and delicious and infuse it with nutrients, I'll add some cut up berries. You can use mango, you can use pineapple, use anything that works for you. Watch how much lemon you put into your water, because if you drink it, it will break down the enamel on your teeth. Secondly, I use something which is really super good, higher in antioxidants than actual blueberries. It's tart cherries. I found this in Publix, and it is a tart cherry concentrate. Now, I don't really make my water taste rich and thick like a cherry juice. I just infuse it, meaning I'll use like a tablespoon in something of this size, but see what works for you. Lastly, I actually start my day after I have my lemon water. I'll go into my collagen. So I'll have a bottle of this. So this makes it super easy, super fast for me to get my nutrients, get my water, and be semi-mindless about it. I hope this tip was helpful for you guys.